Remember me never dead. Tell me about Damien vlog why you and him don't talk. Out contact because I say fix my son. Remember me never dead. That's because you know you're busy, you go fuck me up. 13, when sometimes the people like blood clutch at the people with me, because I never go to a funeral. I never go down a mountain view. Damien vlog why you and him don't talk. May I give you the opportunity to come out contact because I say fix my son. Remember me never dead. You. About Damien vlog why you and him don't talk. You know. Dangerous no bumbo clot when you take blood clot human being when I come in contact with. People. Everybody name I go come out since you mention it. Lady V tell me say head teacher can reach out to her. Say she upon her vocation and when time she come, she a go fix her, she a go deal with some cascas. Can me tell you already, he burn blood clot and make them never did give back. Put out the proof, says Anna me so wicked. You say? Plus Lady V say, uno don't like Dana. Plus Lady V say, uno don't like Dana. Be very careful, take it from me. I don't want to feel the pain when me Lady V today. England, all over, all when Lady V their funeral. Lady V, where did go on down at the funeral again? Where you hear? Where did go along down at the funeral down at Mountain View again, Lady V? Where you did hear down there again? Me never down there. Lady V, what did go along down at the funeral again? Where did go on down at Mountain View again? Tell the people. Tell the people them what did go on down there. One man where you said where the person said they not chat to people and they not chat people. You say the person call you and talk 1.5 hours. That's you get the person call you up and then Canadian. Who call you? Come tell the people them need to know. Everything would need to come out. That's my son part. To you how you condone your daughter's action. What them way there? Me I come out and no people I don't want nobody tell me nothing. Hypocrite. Me come a blood clot curse on my chop yard. Me no come here come bend down blood clot low. Me never used to catch no blood clot, man. Nobody no know me as no pussy seller, yeah. They know me for blood clot. The police, they know me na curse of a galang bumbo clot, but I fight. Nobody na have pussy selling for my blood clot name. I'm a grow my picnic click underneath my blood clot. I have to take him clot dance, go wind up and down. Me left it to my pussy clot daughter now. Who no make me come out here come rip and tear and go along. Cause worse when time we are friend, but when me touch me pop about my son. Call and say what you say. Oh, when time blood clot. But dead. Yeah. Link up with married. She a more woman than me, but I leave it till there. So the Lady V, let me tell you something about myself. Be careful what you say to me. That farm, she said the Ricardo, right condolence. Then Lady V telling me when I shan Lady V, let me tell you something. Be careful what you say to me. He tell me say over Dana platform, she said the Ricardo, right condolence. The hardness. If the outer me and you should would have Sunday left grad. And my son can't say boy bad to bad don't kill me like how you have plan to kill other people. You would have to kill me. Me would have take the dead. Because they say I remember me tell a lady if me I come after you. And now this me can't take anything else apart but me pick them in a tape you. Play it, let me hear. Pure. Bob, she tape you. You hear me I tell you? Cause Lady V watch it tape you. Remember me tell you the last conversation where you and her have the last one. When she call you, she tape you. You see the message them, that's why I say Ashanti to me, they go blame him. When she contact Lorraine about the money, when she send go give Ashanti when she there at the post office. When she send go, she send it right to me. Lorraine the message where you send to her, she send it to me. Mojo you too. You call her about a month ago. I ain't gonna say what she say you say. Where the woman name the way everybody where you name Alien. You call her and didn't tell me, but I ain't gonna say what you say or no say. But who know where they call her? Who know where they call her? Lady where they go meet today where she get the 50 US. We tell her the things them but who for phone I get take away. Be careful. I ain't gonna talk. More Joe, more Joe, more Joe. More Ross Joe. Let more Joe call him. Lady them over Atlanta. We call about the Dundus and the lamp. Me I talk truth. Me only come out here for one people. Who don't want listen will hear. Lady where the down at Jamaica, we call her and tell her the laugh for your niece beat you and tell her where she did know say where you never where you tell her say. But something come to my mind because me ear status last night he tell me. I did tell Ashanti, but I did not tell Ashanti that. I did tell him. That's why Ashanti did came out and did accuse Jennifer about the page.